Hello, my name is Jeremy Dukes. I'm a hydrogen fuel cell installer. I'm here today to help Johnny install his or reinstall his hydrogen fuel cell. He was having some problems with the wiring, so we're going to go ahead and go through all that and redo it. Here we want to install the switch that turns on the system, and like I said earlier, we want to use the fuel pump relay or the fuel pump fuse. Either one will work. So in this case we're going to use the fuse, and we have one of these jumpers, handy dandy. We can use the stock fuse right in here. This is our secondary circuit. We'll go ahead and install it right over here. Let's move this relay out the way. Pull this fuse out. There we go. Install our... There we go. Right now I'm cutting a hole for the switch, so we have easy access to switch on and mount it on the outside of this fuse box. Not any cleaner than that. Okay, like I said, if you want your installation done right earlier, you want to come to somebody who knows what they're doing. Otherwise, you get a shoddy job like earlier, like we showed, and you get a much better installation. And if you have any questions, go go ahead and reach Johnny on his website, or you can call me at the number at the bottom of the screen.